Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I am just here to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. Christmas is such a special time around our family. We, of course, put the Christmas tree up, and the kids fall in love with all the lights they see. Christmas lights, every time they see them. It's so adorable. And it's just a wonderful time to celebrate the birth of our Savior, Jesus. And you know what? If you don't know who Jesus is, let me just tell you, He loves you. And He wants to have a relationship with you. So make sure you do a little Googling, or in fact, you can just email my office and we'll tell you even more. info@thestampsoflife.com, because you know what? Jesus is a very big, important part of our company and our family and our lives. But it's such a wonderful time to spend time with friends and family, get together, savor this moment in our lives, and just be thankful for everything that we have. So I hope you have a very, very Merry Christmas. And you know what? 2025 is going to be even better. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.